Hi guys, today we're going to do a brainstorming session for my new wine project. Hope you guys enjoy. And then my outro. I had something in mind of planning on like the layout for the app that we were gonna create. But I'm thinking of do I want to create, because I'm not sure if the idea can go through, because actually when I was shopping for recently, just the overall wine related stuff, is that everyone's been really into wine in Korea. I'm like, what really sucks about like all my ideas is that I keep doing it when it's already popular. I gotta pick out something that's like getting like a start of it, but it's really popular in Korea right now. So I'm thinking that I should be changing my idea. That's actually something that I wanted to change because I think there is still potential to grow with this. Making something really? Okay, cause you know how we were going to send the wines? I looked into that, and the best way is, the idea is getting bigger, basically. The best way is for me to open a wine store. Holy shizzle, guys. Holy shizzle. Yeah. So I think 잠깐만. Oh. That's what I'm worried about, because our initial fund, I haven't even been doing like a funding, right? But if we were to continue the idea with the wine sending, well, here's what's going on with my mindset. I've done actually a lot of research to this. I've been going to different winery shops near my house and seeing the fact that they do have wines. They do sell wines in small bottles. Now, we're not sure if they're like the good, delicious type, but I see why people send the big type. So, I've talked to a couple of people in terms of this idea. I've changed the title. And, I need you guys' help for this. So my brain is so dead from this. What is this? I need to like clear out my canvas board for this. I have way too much. Okay, so here's our wine project. One of the things that I wanted to work with was we're starting with that's what I'm worried about. But you know how we were talking about, let's send 5 wines. Now, one of the concerns, if we look through like the concerns that I have, one is, oh yeah, 5 sample. One is, it's hard to get the sample. Because for those who drink a lot of wine, you know that once you open the wine, it's completely different. In terms of taste, well, flavor, etc, right? So this makes it this makes me have to go through winery and ask for sample size. Ask for them to actually produce sample size. Ask them to you get a this is my biggest concern. I mean, I've seen wine. I should have bought some, but they were like this big, so like my face wise small portion. By the way, those sample size wines that we saw were like $30. Like approximately $30. Which is crazy. That is way too expensive. And the wine that the cup wine that we got were like $5. $5. So either we gotta figure out a way to separate them into like sample sizes, so we really need to figure out how to preserve and save. That's the biggest thing I'd be concerned about. And then another issue was the sending part, the sending wine. Now, I've actually been trying to look for places where we can do like collab with, or actually talk to like 편의점, convenience store. And this, well, actually talking to the big convenience store is not a good idea because they'll probably take my idea, which is not a good thing. So we want to sell our idea to them, but yeah. And then what I've realized is that for the collaboration, this I'm still looking into. So a way for me to do this, and I've actually talked to Mia a little bit about my idea, is that he really liked the idea because especially wine is pretty big. Is that why not open a store with and call it like wine tasting or something like that. I don't know. And only sell out mini wine, miniature sized wine. And as you guys know, the biggest concern about this is that mucho dinero. Wow. This is like, holy cow. It can't be online because I can't. So Korean law is that you can't send wine. So we have ran into a problem like this. And the thing about sending full bottled wine is that that kind of defeats our purpose of actually trying to taste the wine before you buy it. Because the biggest concern in terms of buying wine, especially those quote-unquote expensive wine, is that you want to taste them, get to know the flavor before you buy them and get sad about it. So we want them to have more knowledge of how the wine tastes. So the best, honestly, the best way is kind of what like Papa Taco was saying, that if we could preserve it and save that exact same taste as we open it, separating them would be the best. However, if we can't do that, we have to go through method 2 of like just opening a winery. But then there's so many competitive wineries that it's not doing good so well. So that's why I was like, if we start on the wine app idea, I would just basically making I would be basically making a mock idea of the wine. So no, wine, once you open it, once it's out of the corkage, right? Because it's corkage fee, 맞나? Once air gets into the wine, then it starts changing taste, flavor. So that's why the expensive wine becomes like expensive as it gets old, since there hasn't been air that's touched to it. Well, here's the thing, Extended. We were going to initially create the wine cellar plus review app. But because there's something similar to this, we were going to add in the function of tasting. Wine tasting meetup the app organizes. The thing is, I think there's something similar to that, at least in Korea. I'm not sure if that's happening in US, but what was that? 무슨 와인 dog? 그 뭐더라? I should have kept track of all the competitors. 그 뭐였지? 빵님 그거 기억나세요? What was that? Wine 뭐야? 와인 추천. 와인 추천 앱 뭐였더라 그거? 그 와인 비비노 말고 그 한국에서 막 그 강아지 나고 테이스팅 하러 가려고 했던 곳. 퍼플독이었다. So this place allows you to do wine tasting. 여기가 they actually can do tasting and then 여기가 and sending. 그래서 뭔가 we need to add in another feature or else it will have no use. We cannot win against our competitors and cannot get funding. I mean, I can ask you guys for the funding, but it's hard. I think it's really hard to come up with something that's better right now. So what's kind of funny is that Vivino app there isn't something like Vivino app in Korea. I don't think. I actually haven't searched. So it's like, should I make the Vivino app just for Koreans? And then include what Josh is saying of having like a meetup.com for wine? But it shouldn't be something that we host. It should be something that the users should host it. So then I'm having trouble thinking, then do I make kind of like US version of Wine Club and maybe have like a monthly... That's true, Josh. Josh. Yeah. Free wine. 그러면은 I guess we would have to do wine cellar plus review app plus tasting meetup. And maybe here I can contact close winery who would be interested in hosting it, and then the company will pay. Right? So it wouldn't even be winery. At this point, it would just be like a nice restaurant and have a tasting party. And maybe we can have this tasting meetup as a subscription service. So we will just initially start out with the seller and the review app, and then for extra feature like tasting, we would have to do more of the subscription feature. Wine stores? I don't think I've seen one in Korea, so I'll have to look up more of that. Well, son, we're basically concluding that the $5 wine sending idea is no guji. Maybe this is for like future, if this company goes like super popular, then I can bribe companies, wineries to make them. But since I can't bribe them right now of initial funding, it would be best for me to start out small. So I guess we'll be the middleman for this. But then I would be looking for like wine stores, I guess, if they do any tasting, to host an event of tasting wine. So why not, guys? Then if we are liking this idea, why not really then create a mock version of Vivino? And maybe add in some like stuff with it, and then add maybe the tasting meetup as well. Maybe we can get somewhere from that, so we can continue on with that idea. Does that sound good? Yeah, there's already an app that recommends you wine. No problem. We're brainstorming right now, so if any idea comes to your mind, feel free to talk. 와인 동호회랑 뭐가 다르죠? 그쵸, 그게 문제긴 해. 동호회랑 다른 점 없지. So Papa Taco asked a very important question. Why is that any different than a wine club? Not really. Except maybe we give better wine, and we will be able to store the wine data. Or it'll be more organized. Let's go through the wine cellar app and just to do some competitor research. Let me organize if I have any Oya stuff that I have to hide. Wine got really popular in Korea, so I just opened a bad bottle of Chardonnay. See? That's the thing. We wanted the tasting thing, but it'd be... Seeking out pain points? So, I wish I could make this full. Can I maybe just to show you guys this? Hey. Oi, oi. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. Nani? Why is it like this? Wow! It's broken. I broke the app, guys. I broke the app. Hallelujah, mother, father. Guys, the app is broken. This app already has an issue. Oh no! Thank you, Joe, for tier 1 sub. Thank you, 감사합니다. 아이디어 있다고요? Give it to me. Okay, so we're gonna... So let's look at this, and maybe we should really look into pain points that wineries are having. 식당 메뉴판 스캔해서 와인 추천해주기. AR? 와, 그러면 화면에 와인이 나오는 거예요? 그 추천을? 그게 돼? 내 기술력으로 되냐고 파바타코니. 괜찮은데? 그거 좀 써놔야 되겠다. 괜찮을 것 같은데 내가 그게 나의 메인 펑션을 하면 되겠네. $100에 판다고? 내 사랑과 애교 100%치로 할게요. Guys, Papa Taco has just said a very good idea. Let us all share. He's asking $100, so if anyone wants to pay me $100 to give him his idea back. So then he's saying, if we were to scan, I love how we're all going with like the scanning AI. 진짜, you guys are having too much faith in me, guys. But what if we were to scan the menu in restaurant menu? 근데 이건 너무, I think it's way too high tech. I don't know if we can do it, but we can scan menu. Let's say it's Italian. 근데 이게 어떻게 난 지금 상상이 안 가. Like big picture, I understand it, but they're starting to. That's true. In America, they're starting to get rid of. Well, that's true. But let's say it's Italian. Their main is focus. Their main is pasta or something. And then you scan the menu and it will return a wine. Using AR. On the wine. Or 이런 거 재밌겠다. If you have a menu and you use your camera function, scan over it and it says like blah blah blah. Next to the menu, it can recommend you like Chardonnay, or oops, I can't spell, or like Merlot, blah blah blah. Is that possible, interns? Enough money and time? What the heck? User might be skeptical? Anything is possible? Oi? Oh. Guys, I pressed the button and everything disappeared. What? What? Well? That's so weird. It like slid to a different page. 뭐야? Oh, anyways. It'd be possible with my amazing intern. You just gotta food the mapping from the food to oh really? I don't think I have virtual desktop here. 잠깐만. Just gotta find the mapping from food to record wine. Record wine? And deal with the food variation. Ah. 될까? Does that work? Recommended. Oh. Sorry, I just had to figure out what time tonight. 잠깐만, 나 머리가 안 돌아간다. My brain doesn't work. 잠깐만. Chad, you with me? Chad, are you guys awake? I'm not. I'm crying about my knowledge right now. 와인을 찍어서 와인 메뉴랑 so if we take picture of wine menu and plus food menu 이렇게 딱 이렇게 두 가지를 picture take 해 it will outcome pairing. 그러게 사실은 메뉴가 actually a lot of stores 그럼 진짜 와인 추천 앱이네. Then it is really wine recommending app. Cause then let's say I go to McDonald's. Okay, then the scenario is 식당에서 매입해두는 와인도 한국 외에는 종류를 그렇게 많이 두려고 하지 않다는. 맞아, 그렇긴 해. 그럴 것 같긴 해. Guys, so give me a menu. Let's go to what place do you want to eat food, guys? Let's go maybe what's a nice restaurant? Name a restaurant, guys. Let's go to Olive Garden, guys. Okay. So let's say Papa Taco took out his girlfriend to Olive Garden. And then he was trying to ask her out that day, okay? And I have access denied. Guys, can someone like give me Olive Garden menu? I can't. I don't have access. Damn it. Can someone give me... Wait. Does this work? Okay, here. Let's go. I went to Olive Garden. Or, sorry. Papa Taco went to Olive Garden. And... Holy cow, what is this in? It's a different language. But he's like, okay, well, we can basically take it. He's like, okay, I'm trying to seduce this muchacha. I can't see it. It's access denied, Ollie. Unfortunately. We'll, like, go with this language. And he's like, I want to ask this girl out. But I want to... But she likes wine. Or I want to give her a good experience with good wine. And so I'm gonna go through my app, right? And I'm gonna be like, okay, we're gonna click on Olive Garden. Do they even have a wine app? They probably have a wine menu. What the heck is wine? Menu for time limited. To eat. Family bread. Donde está tu wine menu, man? And then... Oh, here, vino. See, they have different wines here. So then what he does is he goes through my wine. He clicks on Olive Garden. He's like, okay, I need to impress my girl, right? And then they'll ask question. What is person A having? Fettuccine Alfredo is what Papa Taco is eating, right? And then his girlfriend or his date is having steak gorgonzola Alfredo. So then the app is going to go through and with an algorithm recommend you. It's going to recommend you like blah blah blah. But that's niños. Just tomate. Vino. 아무거나. Like Prosecco? How do you pronounce these? Chardonnay. It recommends you Chardonnay. So then what you can do is be like, okay, I'm gonna have this. Hey, so what are you gonna have? And then be okay. So can we get some Chardonnay? Question here would be, how would we know what works well with other? Does that make sense? Do you guys understand where I'm going with? So let's say like Papa Taco, this is Papa Taco, guys, went to Olive Garden. He's like at Olive Garden. And he wants to impress this girl by giving a good wine selection. So he's there and then he sits down with his muchacha. This is the muchacha that he's on a date with. There's a chair. Muchacha here. So he goes through our app and then we'll be asking, what's the menu for tonight? What's the menu for tonight? Right? Or where are we going tonight? And then it'd be like Olive Garden. And then we'll be asking what's the menu for tonight. He'll be like Alfredo. And then Alfredo and that steak, whatever she was having, right? We'll ask, 뭐 Alfredo는 뭐 있냐? 뭐 Alfredo would be like shrimp, 뭐 pasta, 뭐 blah blah blah. Click, click, click. And then for steak, 뭐 steak는 medium, 뭐 well done, 뭐 raw, 뭐 etc. 그러면은 okay, and then it'll give you a result of okay, we got you covered. 그다음에 recommends you the wine in order, like 뭐 Chardonnay, 뭐 Chardonnay, 뭐 ABC, 뭐 Merlot, sorry. And if you click on them, it'll give you like the type wine, blah blah blah. 이렇게. How about that? Yeah, like what Jeannie is saying. 그치. 근데 우리는 그렇게까지 세세하게 갈 필요가 없는 게, 우리는 여기 식당의 메뉴를 우리가 받을 수는 있잖아요. 아까도 이렇게 딱 다 받을 수 있듯이 우리는 그 식당의 메뉴를 가져서 거기에 있는 음식 페어링이랑 해서 이제 와인을 추천하는데, then you know what's going to happen? What's the wine recommending? The sommelier who's working at that place is gonna be like, you're taking my job. But how about that? Then no picture is needed. 그러면 식당 메뉴는 우리가 할 수 있고 거기에 있는 와인을 해. But let's say I don't have wine DB. Let's say, oh, this let's say Olive Garden doesn't have wine listed on our app. Then we would be like, can you take a picture of the wine list? Can you take picture? Right, of the wine list, and then so that if that person takes it, we can use this to keep it in our DB 딱 놓고, then from this DB and then other DBs that we have, we will use our algorithm to recommend the wine. And in the end, we could be like, and like 2 hours later, we can give them a notification of how was it? Good, bad, 뭐 etc. And then use the result as a and then teach that result to our AI program of saying, hey, don't do this, don't recommend Chardonnay to that wine, it didn't go well, blah blah blah. How does that work? Guys, did you guys fall asleep? 분위기나 서비스처럼 추가적인 요소가 필요하다면 거기에 대한 사진 자료나 사용자 리뷰? 사용자 리뷰도 넣고. 그러니까 우리 기존에 있던 아이디어 플러스, so it'd be like, I don't know if we will continue the seller idea, but we can just do it more like a wine pairing idea. Wine pairing. 이런 식으로? Does that make sense? I like this idea. I don't know about you guys. 난 이게 그나마 제일 쉽고 할 수 있을 것 같아. Take a picture of the date? What? 그러니까는 제 생각에도 초기는 무조건 음식이야. So initially we will have to start with food. Initial attempt is attempt just by food. And then maybe if it gets bigger, we can add in like the vibe. So it's basically Tweety for wine, guys. 젠장아, I was going to go away with recommendation system. F this. 예산별, 선호도별. 그치. 그 보여주는 거는 나중에 좀 다르긴 한데 이게 제일 무난할 것 같긴 해요. And I think the DB for this is easy to get. So we will start off with like probably wine works with Italian restaurant. And other restaurants like European. Fusion. Fusion. I was gonna put a Z. 그렇게 해서 하면 될 것 같아. And I think initially we will try to keep all the data, but if we don't have the data for the menu, we will ask them to take a picture too, and then we can maybe probably keep that picture too as our DB, and then save it for our later use. Because what I realized is that girls take picture of the menu when they're eating in a nice restaurant. 이거를 진짜 해야 되겠다. 맞아, 저희는 식당을 고르고 거기에 있는 메뉴에서 와인을 페어링을 한다고 생각해야 될 것 같아요. And this can this be biased? I guess if a winery pays us to say, can you give recommendation for ABC? But I think this would be more ideal and practical in a situation. Because when you are drinking wine at a restaurant, normally you want to... 결국에는 광고로 수익을 벌어야 돼가지고. 소믈리에를 하나 붙여가지고 같이 페어링을 하는 것도 괜찮을 것 같아. You guys know of any sommeliers near you guys? But I think this is what we can do, guys. Honestly, I don't think... Oh, really? Cause I'm the in-house one? What's the in-house one? 아니 내가 왜 이거를 괜찮다고 생각했냐면 내가 만약에 우리가 이게 전 세계적으로 나간다 치면은 if we go global, why I really like this idea in the end is if we go global, let's say we go to Bahri and we want to ask them for a recommendation. How? How would that be possible? Right? 그치, 이제 집에 있는 사람들 집에? 그러니까는 여기가 결국에는 집에 있는 사람에게도 추천이 가능한 게 그래 레스토랑 말고 기본적인 것도 추천을 해주는데 또한 레스토랑에 있는 것도 추천을 해주면 되지 않을까. 내 생각에 그게 맞다고 생각해. 그러니까 in the end will just be a recommendation for both in-house and outdoors. So later on, maybe we can start off with the restaurant, but in the beginning or later on in the future, I want it to be like, where are you eating? 어디서부터? Where are you eating? Maybe in-house. Okay, or restaurant. And then like if you're eating outside inside in your house, it would be like, okay, what are you cooking? 그치? And then give you all the like ABC, you're cooking this. Okay, well like we recommend you getting ABC wine. 그치? But this is what everyone else says. But let's say if you're eating at a restaurant, okay, which restaurant is it? And let's say if we have the DB, then we'll be like, okay, like what are you picking from the DB? And then if we have the wine menu, then it'd be like, oh, try pairing with this wine, ABC wine. And then the best thing is if we can leave reviews of how it was, we can say 85% of the people tasted X wine with A menu. 이렇게 되는 거잖아. Versus, and then if not, then we can ask the viewer, or the user, okay, take picture. And then from the initial DB that we could get from sommelier saying this wine pairs well with that wine or this food, then we can say try this, you know, and then tell us how we did on recommendation. 이렇게 나눠주면 되잖아. How would you make money with the service? I mean, any app service normally is all ads. Mostly is ads. And we can get probably money from restaurants if they want to partner up with us, but... 오, 그치. 그러니까 내가 이렇게 먹었는데 이거 괜찮다 라고 하면 이제 좋은 거지. In terms of profit, service, profit fees, ads would be ideal. It's not. Subscription service. How would we make money, guys? Money. Let's think of, I mean, money. But if I want to write it to investors, we have to think about the money, guys. Yeah. Here's a couple of ideas. Is initially we will, in the beginning, we will list all the restaurants for free. But at a certain time period, once we get people using our apps, we will end up asking money to be listed. 이렇게? Or we can end up 근데 예약까지 하려면 기본적으로 예약을 먼저 해야 될 것 같아. 왜냐면 지금 사실 우리가 수익성으로 딱 마땅히 쓸만한 게 없는데, 근데 내 생각에는 수익성을 지금 당장 내가 생각하는 것보다 어차피 저는 이 앱을 투수들이랑 만들 수 있으니까 돈은 필요가 없어요. 초기 비용도 내가 벌 수 있을 만큼 내가 투자를 할 수 있거든요. 근데 나중에 이거를 수익성으로 만들어야 된다 하면 어떻게 해야 되냐? Guys, how would we make money off of this? What would be money? Hi, secretary. 내 생각에 여기서 초기 수익성을 못 벌 것 같아. We can't think about making money in the beginning. Yeah, but I think we have to think about it more in the future. Maybe it's not that important right now to think, but I think it's in the end it can be a good money making content. The app. Watch it become like Twitter. Twitter can't make money because they have it's not good money making content. Trying to read the diagram? You're too late. What time is it? 어디서 판다더라 이런 걸 알리는 게? Oh, you're on a vacation? How am I supposed to know, sir? Musk buying it? I mean, we can sell it off to another person, but 아니야, 내 생각에 이걸로 한번 시작해보는 게 나쁘다. I honestly think if this is just gonna be a project with interns, this is not a bad idea. But I don't know how like picture recognition works, so you guys have to help. Yeah, so okay, so let me see if I can organize this. So we have a new user, and I'm gonna try to explain it to you, and I want you to document this, secretary, because I'm gonna forget it. Perfect timing. You're perfect timing. 그러니까 그래가지고 페어링을 내가 내 생각에 소믈리에를 좀 해야 될 것 같아. 요약할 때 딱 들어오신 게 완벽한 타이밍이었어. Okay, so how are apps going to work? So we have a okay, so how it's gonna work is, let's say secretary is at a nice restaurant. You know, he's on a date. He finally got a number of this beautiful girl with nice blonde hair. This is secretary, guys. Like zoom in. It looks so pretty. So I'm going to give you kind of like the storyboard of how our app works before we explain more in depth of how it works. But let's say we have secretary. You have nice hair, and then this beautiful young lady who's your date, and you're trying to impress her because today's the day you're gonna ask her out. Now, but she's really into wine, or she likes when guys are very impressing. I don't know. So you go to a restaurant. Let's say you went to Olive Garden. You go to Olive Garden because she loves this restaurant. She loves the Alfredo fettuccine. There you go. She just loves that like niggle taste, right? So you ask her, hey girl, what would you want? And she's like, yeah, I would have the Alfredo fettuccine, and you're having steak. The problem is secretary doesn't know that wine, doesn't know in depth about wine. You have no clue, right? You're like, oh shoot, okay, I just know wine works well, red wine works well with meat, and then seafood works well with white. That's the only thing I know, so I don't know which wine I'm gonna get. But unfortunately, you're in Costa Rica, so you can't speak Spanish. So you can't be like, hola, recommendation, por favor. They don't understand it. So then you're gonna use our app. So how our app plays in this role is that they're gonna ask you, and don't think it's like Tweety, because I know you're gonna say that. Meaty cock blocking. But our app is going to ask you, where are you? And you're gonna be like, oh, we're at Olive Garden. They're like, oh, what? Ask, where? And you're like, oh, we're at Olive Garden. And then they're gonna ask you, oh, like, what are you having? What's the lunch menu, or what's the dinner? What's for lunch / dinner? You're gonna say, oh, we're getting both Alfredo fettuccine, and then we're getting steak. And then they're gonna ask you, like, and then they're gonna be like, just hold on a second, right? And then in like less than a second, they're going to recommend you with this nice Chardonnay, because apparently it works best with Alfredo fettuccine and red meat. And we have proof that 85% of the users enjoyed drinking Chardonnay. Is that how you pronounce it? Shut up. I knew you would say that. Shut up. That 85% of the people enjoyed it. Will have reviews saying this wine was blah 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 ABC etc da 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 da. So that's kind of what we're thinking of doing. So it is a good wine recommendation system app. What's really good about it is, let's say you are at this really, really random restaurant out at like Costa Rica. They're like, you know, they give you this menu and you're like, okay, like I have no clue. But then the app's gonna be like, okay, take a picture and we'll like translate it and recommend you a nice wine. You know, you take a picture of the menu and then they'll be like, yeah, can you now take a picture of the wine? I'll take a picture of your wine. This is wine menu. This is food menu, right? And then, you know, through AI recommendation, like AI image recognition, we'll scan through, translate it to English, and then figure out what, you know, what food you're gonna get after that, to the wine menu and recommend you a nice wine. Now, in the future, maybe you're like, okay, well, actually, to impress this girl, she actually says she hates Olive Garden. So we're gonna go in-house. I'm gonna make you the best pasta and steak in the house. And you're making your own fettuccine and steak. So then they'll be like, what are you having for dinner? You'll have fettuccine and you'll have steak. And with that, they'll be like, I heard ABC wine is good. In the future, what would be really cool is that if we can tell you what location sells this, so that when you're going grocery shopping, at your location, you could be like, okay, well, I live in like somewhere in New York or New Jersey, and this is where I usually shop. But look at this. They have it right there. So you can kind of drive like 5 minutes away. So you can't have wines delivering to your doors, at least in Korea. So that's another section of our part of our app. Now, one suggestion. No suggestion. You just write. Just kidding. Don't write. Yeah, I'm listening. When scanning menu. Yes, I'm there. Ah. Yeah, that'll be good. But we also want the menu of the food. But yeah, we in the end, we want the menu and the food, menu food and the wine food for. 그 와인을 스캔해가지고. 와인 메뉴를 스캔해서. 그치. Oh, that would be good. 그래. 그럼 이게 안 된다 하면은 초기적으로 이게 안 된다. If that doesn't work, we can just scan the wine menu and tell you it's ABC wine. And then later on, like that night, this app is going to ask you, how did we do? You know, how did we do? 그치. We will still ask you for the menu picture so that we can keep it on our DB and study it. 그래가지고 그렇게 해서 계속 educating system. Continuing educating. 자. Did that make sense? It's very easy concept, right? 맞아. But actually, no matter where you go, you always get scammed with the wine price. But yeah, that would be really good if you can just scan the wine menu. Or if they don't have any DB of wine or menu. So, tada! Now, what we have to think about this in the future, guys, is are we gonna make money? You know, money is always the biggest thing. And because investors don't care how important this is. They only care about how they can profit off of your stuff. So that's something that we have to think about in the future. But I think it's not, I really think it'd be very helpful. Especially because the trend these days is they love drinking wine. So if you can get like this app out within a month or two, we'll see how that works. So it does have to be an app. I think I'm gonna use I'm going to use React Native for it. I would need some more in-depth what we could be using for the backend. But I think in the beginning, we're just going to try to get all the DB for recommending. Tada! Did you guys enjoy my new ideation? Does that sound Gucci? Do you guys think we're gonna be rich now? Because what I think is missing from this app, which I'm trying to show you guys, but it disappeared. Is that they do have searching, and I believe you can take picture of the wine, but I'm not actually sure if you can take a picture with the menu. 아, 이거 셀러 너무 멋있는 것 같아. I don't have any seller. 이런 거 딱 보면 they have like wait, I keep breaking this. Oh wait, what? It just popped up on me. I'm breaking apps, guys. I'm breaking this effing app. Work, you MF. Okay, I broke it. So I'm thinking maybe we can start creating the MVP, but I have to leave in like... No, wait, I'm going there at 8. I do want to try Purple Dog, by the way. But I think we can grow this idea big. And I'm thinking of what would be best is if we can get like the MVP out in like 2 months. And I know it took us forever to create 3D, but if I guess we could get our designs rolling and everything. I don't think we should even worry about like the designs and stuff. As long as we can copy off of someone and then get that out there, I think it'll be great. No, you'd be like getting these like Italian nice stuff. Okay. So how did we start a project? I totally forgot how we started a project. Come on, I wanted to... So to keep things organized, I'll try to use Notion. Make a GitHub. Oh yeah. I wanna log in to to a... Okay, so I will create a Notion. Let's try to keep things organized. Okay, 이걸로 그냥 갑니다. We're gonna go on with this idea. You guys all say yay for this, right? It's better than the other idea that we were trying to recreate, because there's no way I will be managing a winery. It's too hard. Why did I get 48 people noticing me? This is better. I think this has more potentials too. How long? As long as I can work on this. Ooh, collaborate on your docs project. What kind of work do I do? Other. What is my role? Executive. What am I planning to do? Project management, documenting, editing, and sharing. What should we name this? 뭐라 지을까? I'm already excited. Ah, is there a wine app? Ooh, 이렇게. Ooh. Tree round 2. 아, 그러면 I wanna see. Wine. Winery. We'll just recommendation app. We'll just call it this in the beginning. But I wanted to try using Notion this time because I heard this is very good for PM works. Take me to Notion. 와, 이거 되게 멋있는 것 같아. I think this is really good app. But let's see if I can kind of benchmark my other ones that I made long time ago. Wine tour? 뭐야, 너무 촌스러워. It gotta be trendy, guys. Young girls, guys will use it. Hello from Australia. Hello from Korea. Trendy? Purple match? There's a wine app called Purple Dog in Korea. Isn't that funny? Before we do anything, I don't wanna, project 이렇게 해야 되겠다. 자, 이거에 wait, I want a Notion. Fooey? What is fooey? food and wine? 귀엽다. fooey. fooey야? 한국어로는 뭐야? fooey? 잠깐, I also want to contact a friend. 잠깐, she doesn't have Kakao. Pui? It's like Pumi, right? Pui? There's I was going to create a company name called Pumi with my other app. The wine is like governor of Ohio. Oh, really? Wait, how did I contact? I think I texted her. Well, really? We gotta step away from recommendation app. 잠깐만, 비노피디야? 개웃기는데? So 잠깐만요. Sorry, I'm trying to benchmark what we made for my golf app. So that we can kind of keep things clear. Hey. Hey. 뭐야? 이거? 어이? 이건데? 오? Okay, sorry. Got why? What the heck is that? Vino file? What's that? Yeah, I guess all of a sudden we're brainstorming names. Got milk? Well, how does to-do list? Wow. Project. Print. Which one should we do? Wait, I don't like any of these. 오, 이거 이쁘다. 컴퍼니 홈페이지. 오, 이거 너무 잘 만들었다. General. Request time off. I love how they add that. So one thing we want to do is create a to-do list. Yeah, we'll have to do it. So first task is naming. I want to create a wireframe for this. Wireframe for app. I want to make it as simple as possible. Wine talk? What the heck is wine talk? And then I want to also do... Yeah. So I'm gonna try to divide it up between content that I do regarding like naming or the business model structure would be all on like my quote-unquote stock stream, and then all of like the programming related stuff would be through programming stream. So wait, I have to go through. So when I was creating an app long time ago, I actually got help from my friend on determining what we need. So how do you create a cloud server stuff? backend stuff related etc. 아, 나 이쪽 진짜 모르는데 어떡하지? Okay, so let's talk more about like backend. 아니 근데 잠깐만, for Tweety 진짜 I had, what is Tweety GitHub, guys? 그때 what's his face? Oh, I forgot. I already forgot his name, guys. My intern created a very nice GitHub at the time. 이제 복붙하는 거야 이제. It'll be exactly the same as how we did Tweety and my other project. So I want to use, someone can organize this better, but I want to use this time React Native. 몰라, I'm making an app, so I will use React Native. What else do we need to know? What else do we need to create an app, guys? What we need to, I don't need a team. I need more in terms of like, 아니 이거 말고 I need like programming stuff related. 뭐가 필요하지? What is Expo? What? 잠깐만. Okay, so but here's the thing, Josh. I didn't learn React Native yet, so I might have to take a separate class for it. But 너무 어렵다. So what is Expo? Expo가 뭐야? Expo. 이건 뭐야? What is this? Get started by editing the code below. Develop, build, update. So do I use this? It costs money? Start it for free, and later on if we need to pay. Wow, $999 per month? I don't think this is needed. Queue priority. So React Native and Expo is 이게 front-end framework? This is framework. So then our language, official front-end language is JavaScript? Is this right? Am I going in the right direction, guys? So then our backend is... What's our backend? What should we use for backend? Backend. Who knows backend? Yeah. Where's Nine Dog? 잠깐만. Backend React Native. Let's see what other people use. I can't even spell React Native right now. So for backend, people use best React Native backend service. Oh, hi 구독님. If you use colon, it does both front and backend. I don't think I'm good enough for colon. What? Yeah. What's a good backend server? Oh, thank you. Thank you. I didn't mean that, but thank you for the tier 1 song. 감사합니다. What's a good backend server that we can use? What's something that doesn't cost a lot, but we can try to do it? 뭔가 like it allows developers to create apps faster. So what works best with them? This guy is saying Back4 app. He's the founder of Back4 app, and then he wrote this. 뭐야 이 아저씨? What is this 아저씨, man? Yeah. Or AWS Amplify, but this probably costs a lot of money, right? Firebase. What backend did we use to develop Tweety? What was our backend, guys? 와, 이거 되게 멋있다, 우리. Guys, our project is really good, guys. 나 너무 감동받았어. 이거 되게 멋있지 않아요? 와, isn't this really cool, guys? So first, you should distinguish the framework and hosting service. 자, got that covered. So our framework is React Native and Expo. And then I think the hosting we will still continue using Heroku. I think you have to only pay like $7. And since we are used to Heroku, we should probably use Heroku. So currently just use Node until we figure out more in depth what we need. What is Node though? What? Guys, what's Node? 노드가 뭐야? 잠깐만, I have to also go to the bathroom, guys. I'll be back. Yeah, I always pick up prostitutes. What? I like to pick up prostitutes. 룸 파는 여자들? Pick up.
GTA.
GTA? We're talking about GTA?
But they make a joke.
I had no idea why you were talking. Why all of a sudden prostitution?
She looked worried for a bit. She's like, am I streaming with the right girl? Chat, I think she's trying to kill me, guys.
Instead, we will do something else. Do you know what I dreamt of last night? 나 꿈꿨어. 귀신 꿈꿨어. Did you want to take English translation?
Okay, no one saw that.
What's been a battle? What do you think they will fight with? 뭘로 싸울 것 같아? 총? Gun? Knife?
They're more.
Oh shit!
Oh, shit. What?
Oh my god, this scared the crap out of me. 악의 마음을 우리 둘 다 놀랐어. Yokem's definition is either 꾸꾸까까 or 끼끼꾸꾸끼 꾸끼까. Then you guys all go crazy. 근데 그게 아니야. That's not the case. What do you guys say? Please don't do that. Just teach me something, okay? No! Okay.
I just wanna. Oh, hello. How are you? Oh, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Today, I think something crazy is gonna happen.
Marry me!
I think it's ready.
오빠!
오은질의 스케치가 맛있는 음악을 시작합니다.
와, 목소리 왜 저래? 너무 섹시한데?
Hit you with that 뚜루뚜루. Hit you with that 뚜루뚜루. Hit ya. Hit ya. Hit you with that 뚜루뚜루. 뚜루뚜루를 뱉어내. 고개를 뚝뚝뚝 꺾어대. 순한 양의 탈을 벗겨내. 눈이 뒤집힌 늑대 한번 섞어볼게. 필요한 텐션 조절 정상에 목말라 물죠. I'm warning. 목표물 닥치는 대로 포시. 착한 척은 못해. 저 편부터 자는
Guys, oh my god, you know what I've been watching, by the way? 잠깐만. 아니 Hachu asked me to bring hi Blue. 딱 있었어 3개. So I have to bring 국자. It fits in nicely in a wine box. I think because they don't have any. Since Hachu's staying at Sora's, so they needed extra. 아 정신없어. So where were we? Guys, so where were we? So what's Node.js? So stick with Node before figuring out my backend. Oh, I don't know Node.js. Do you guys know Node.js, guys, right? Oh, I did? I never touched it though. You guys touched it. I didn't touch it. I think we need a better idea of the app before we get too deep into the tech. We need a better idea. So should I work on wireframe first? What are the official steps of creating an app, guys? Do I develop wireframe? 뭐 해야 돼? The business should come before tech stack. Also, we need a DB of wines. Where are we sourcing this from? I wish. Can someone buy me a doll with like clothes, like a shirt on? 나 그 인형에 셔츠 입은 타스크 리서치를 해야 돼. Don't assign me, man. That's weird. I need to find database of wines. Nah, I really want to buy a doll with a shirt. I know, we're trying to build this new idea I have, but the techies are complaining that I have a more thorough idea before we go deep down to tech. Several small prototypes trying out different technologies. What is that? Bedtime? What does that mean? Guys, can someone buy me this teddy bear so whenever you guys troll me, I can like you and you? No worries about tech for now. If you just started, we can talk about it much later. When do we talk about tech though? 그러면 we gotta look for okay, tech goes away. 그러면은 우리 뭐 해야 돼? What do we have to do? 뭐 해야 돼? Yeah. 진짜 I want one of those. So first, then I have to get database of wine, and then I have to get database. So we need bunch of database collection. We need wine. We need restaurant menu. We also need wine data, wine list. We also need to figure out what pairs well with what. Like, so this is for like algorithm. This is for algorithm. What else do we need, guys? Target customers. Oh, look at our example of brainstorming. Ooh, wow. 대박. They know what I want. 대박이다. And then we also need to do the business aspect. Yes. 그러면 we need to know stories and workflow. We need branding. We need target customer. 왜 이렇게 많이 필요해? Can we just make it and be happy with it? Can someone do this for me? River brighter than the one I'm by the time someday. 어렵다. 잠깐만. So maybe we should look for how to create 아니다. Well, 이거 있는데? But I need more in-depth. So we gotta choose your app name. Select a color theme. Customize your app design. Choose the right test device. Install the app on your device. Add the features you want. Test before launch. Dude, they just say this. How to start a company? 뭐라고 해야 돼? How to start a startup? If you want to have another experience of creating a new product, then we can go ahead and start making investment. I wanna have another experience of creating a new product because I think my app needs more of users before we pitched for investment. Get it? Entiendo? Yeah. 왜냐하면 I think if you're looking at the money, like the wow. If we're looking at the business model of how to produce money, I think that's more for later on. I just want initially for people to use this more. That's why. So then that being said, I want to maybe start off with just the wireframe of the app. And then add in stuff. We'll like go tiki-taka with that. Okay, let's do that. Let's start with that. Okay, so what I made long time ago, guys, and it was disgusting AF, was... Did I just copy this? 예전에 I spent days working on this and I never got to use it. So what I'm going to do is use log out. Hey guys, you guys aren't falling asleep, right? It's very important to news, man. Interns. 내가 터질 것 같아. 내가 그렇지 않죠? What is this? BBBY case? Oh wow, nice. 일단 제일 중요한 거. 그다음에 그 전에 what we started off is making a flowchart. 이거부터 만들자. We don't need this. 우리가 필요한 거 뭐나? So let's make a flowchart. We like flowchart, guys, of what's going to happen when we click on A, B, C, and D. Okay, so first of all, we log in to app login. Do we even need to log in, guys? When do we need to log in? Login 할 이유가 있을까? Why not? Let's have main page, front page. Front page가 딱 있어. We have a front page. It's the welcome page. Did you know lots of apps these days have a welcome page? And then when we log in, the first thing it's going to ask us is... Oh, is it called splash page? I didn't know that. And they're gonna ask you, like... Looking for wine recommendation? Question mark. 이렇게 잘 완전 simple. Page. Where this page is going to be doing it'll have like a yes, no. You can barely see that because I'm writing small AF. But it's going to be like why can't I move this? Move. Okay. It'll be a yes. It'll be like look for a restaurant. Tab this and or need wine recommendation. 뭐 이렇게? Or need wine recommendation. 이렇게 딱 두 개. I need a wine with an extraordinarily impressive and complex tanning structure. Any tips? What the heck? I don't know, man. You're 54 years old, Astro Boy? Oh, awesome. Anyone who's 17 watching my stream? Yeah. As long as you're here, that's good. 저희 왔죠? Okay, so it's gonna do that. They're going to be like 이렇게 두 가지. I'm imagining it. It's gonna say looking for wide recommendation, and then this is where secretaries that app of 맞죠? 저리 가라. 저리 가라. Secretary's idea of like scanning wine lists and returning all the wines with rating. I'm the dancing channel, really? Ooh, murder! Oh! 뭐야. Oh! 뭐야. What? Did you guys hear that? I pressed a button and it repeated what I said. Intern 바보. Oh! 뭐야. Oh? It auto recorded something and something. 어떻게 했지? 조이야, what you press? 뭐 눌렀어? 아이유에요. 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 Why is that clearing? Clear. Intern 바보. Intern 바보. Intern 바보. Oh. Wait, but does it go through stream? Do you guys hear it through stream or through my mic? 우리 쩐다. Wait, I sound so horrible though. Is it through mic? Let's see. Intern 바보. Intern 바보. 와 이거 뭐야? Man, I got a really nice mic, guys. Holly, shut up. Holly, shut up. Holly, shut up. Yeah, who's another troll? 빨리 troll 이름 대기만 해봐. I will record it. 쩐다 이거. I didn't know this feature. This is really cool feature, right, Joey? Joey 이거 있지. You're kind of proud? Why? Why are you proud of this? I found the secret button? Anyways. 아저씨 진짜 놀랬어. Oh my god, Joey, you help me figure out how my thing works, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, let's continue. We lost the track so quickly. 갑자기 다들. Oh, I should do this. Hey guys, focus. Hey guys, focus. 나 이렇게 한 번씩 이렇게. Hey guys, focus. 너무 재밌다. So we will do da and then they pick 여기서 두 가지. They can pick Oh fudge, I hate this type. 난리 났다. 조이 is 난리 났어, man. 조이 난리 났어. This can be the lookup restaurant. We'll have a lookup restaurant. 있고? Or we'll have a. If we click on the wine list, will be wine scanning, and then this will show camera. So this will connect to camera, right? 이렇게 되지. And then 여기서 there's a search button. 여기서 able to search. 여기서 search. Have search tab. 그치. And then if we click on the search tab, what I plan on doing with that search tab is you can search restaurant. Search any restaurant. So example will be Olive Garden. What a perfect example, guys. I am spitting into my mic. I feel so bad that I'm doing this, but yeah. And then when we search any restaurant, is search or click restaurant. Search, not click. Two options they can do. Search or click on the restaurant. 어디 갔다 왔어요, 타코님? 응? 마왕님 어디 갔다 왔어? 님이 갔으니까 이게 안 되고 있잖아. 돈 내놔. 삥 뜯기예요 이게. And then when they search, it will be like, what menu are you having? What menu are you having? 이렇게 딱 나오겠지. They show you. Or if this is, in this case, it's if we have in our DB. 없을 수 있잖아. We might not have this restaurant. If not in our, if we have. 3초밖에 안 된다고. 맛 죽을래. 감사합니다. 3초 감사해요. 우리 거기 트위터 볼까? If we have it in our DB. 아 근데 I don't know how you can find wine DB. 하고 그다음에 if we don't have the menu, then if not, then we will ask if not in our DB. 여기서 let's take picture of menu and recognizing image recognition. What I also think we should add is not only can they click here, guys, but I think we should also add a section where they're like, it's a pet peeve that this is not together. 방해. Oh, okay. We should also add here like can't find the restaurant. 레스타우랑트? And then 여기서 여기서 then we can add in information about restaurant. Interns will be standby 24/7 and manually recognize the wine. Okay. 근데 와인 DB가 있나? Do they have wine DB? 있을 것 같은데. 여기 있네. Hey, what about these two? 이거 있네. 뭐야? 관심 있는 와인 찾아볼래. 국내 수입 현황, 행사 정보 이런 거 재밌겠다. Oh, look! They're selling wine. You can use wine API. There's wine API? Do they have developers tab? I was working hard on this. Let's organize. Secretary! 아니 organize 해줘! 잠깐만, we are looking for... 있었어요? sorry. 아니 그냥 불러봤어요. Just checking if you're alive. How do you find the... 와, 짱 많은 거 봐. 와, it's hosted by Oracle Virtual Machine. 짱이다. Privacy. Oh, you have to be sub to link. Hehe. Oh, thank you, Papa Taco, for gifting Astro Boy tier 1 sub. 우리 아저씨, 저분 54살이래요. 없는데? I don't think they have a developer page. I wonder if you have to ask. winedb.co.kr 여기 약간 있지 않을까? Wow, is anyone good at terms and condition, writing terms and condition? Secretary! Write me a terms and condition. In English and Korean. 해줘! 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 해달라고! 떼쓰기. Wouldn't most of it be boilerplate? What is boilerplate? You can use TOS generator? What the heck is TOS generator? 진짜 이런 게 있어요? 미친, 진짜 이런 게 있어? What the fudge? 하이 텐지! 이거 짠다. TOS secret secretary 맞구나. Secretary's job. Bold. Oops, bold. 뭐 있어? Wait, can I call this? 서비스 이용을 양도할 수 없고 여기 있는 데이터는 유포, 허위, 계약 해지, that's account, 가격 공유 이런 거 있네. 가격의 투명성을 위해 로그인 후 가격 공유를 하고 있고 대량으로 올리고 싶은 엑셀 정리해서 여기서 보내달라. So I wonder if this was created manually. What is open end point? 33 months. I used to spell it, but he's been not coming daily. That's why I can't spell it anymore. I don't see your name. 캐럿 컷 이게 뭐예요? 내가 그걸 봤다고? 난 내가 뭘 봤는지 기억이 안 나요. What the hell is this? What? rapidapi.com/search/wine. Wine recognition. 오! 이거 아니야? Don't we just need this? 이거 필요한 거 아닌가? You can image it, give it image, and it will return name and wine type. We'll probably need wine 된다. 이게 그냥 그거야? Analyze image, return name. Analyze image, return name and wine type. 이게 그거라고. Secretary, TOS 해줘요! Do I have to add this here? 잠깐만, we have Holly shut up. 여기 하나 넣어야 되겠다. Secretary, make me my TOS. Secretary, make me my TOS. 아우 시끄러워. 또 있다? I can say it again. Secretary, make me my TOS. Secretary, make me my TOS. 포인트 쓰면 그 소리 나게? 포인트가 뭐예요? 아, points. 아. Wait. Holly, shut up. 아, 이거 너무 잘 쓴다. I feel bad. So I 뭐지? Josh bought me this. I didn't really know how to use this. Secretary 해줘를 포인트로 하나 해줄까? Okay. How to create. 웃기다. 잠깐만. I will add that one. Once their name added, I have ABC. I can have 12 guys. Add new custom. Secretary 해줘. Hey Joe. Do it for me. Do it. 필요 없어. How much do you think you're worth? 한 1,000? Oh, you found. Oh, you sent it through here. 아, 개웃기네. 아, 이거 봐. 그거 왜 찾았어 내 링크드인? Really? Realistically, is that expensive? I'll give you 1,000 worth of 애교 and like love and like 애교 and like love. Anyways, 잠깐만. I have to organize. I should have maybe posted here, guys. 세상에나 마상에나. Everything's kind of all over the place. Oops. 알았어. Secretary, make me my TOS. 해줘로 바꿀까? So I have this, and this only has 이게 this list has picture of wine and returns wine type and wine name. Okay. Oh, we need more than wine name. 다른 게 있으려나? 이건 뭐야? What is the wine HQ? Wine application database. 뭐야? StarCraft 이거 뭐야? 근데 여기가 좀 아쉽다. I kind of wanna... Should I try emailing them guys about using their wine DB? 유튜버 썸님이 소개한 와인 DB. 와인 전문 유튜버이신 소개해주셨는데 알찬 영상 감사합니다.
와사비 여러분 안녕하세요. 저스트링크의 서비입니다. 오늘 여러분들께 와인을 사게 그곳에 실제로 들어가면 와인 힘드니까 여러분들께 설명을 드리냐 하면은 바로 확인을 할 수가 있다 됩니다. 이 와인도 먹고 시간이 되면은 통관 정보도 문자로 받아볼 수 있네. 같은 시기에 갖고 온다고 하던 없어? 그런 도움이 많이 되세요. 맛있는 와인들을 찾아야 되는데 맛은 이 연자한테 얘기. 와인 DB 이용함을 위해서 정확한 한글명을 있는 게 이런 와인 DB에 남겨주세요. 제가 또 이렇게 와사비 분들에게 도움되게끔.
와사비야. That's funny. No, that's not a drinking wine. Ah, really? Google has a API for wine scores, ranking details, and more. Oh, すごいね. Oh, and then we have to ask YouTubers to make a review for my app. Let's ask bubbly. Who drinks wine? 여기도 API가 있네. So if you wish to use the API, please log in. 그러면 we have wine data. We have wine itself. Data for wine itself. 어머야, 애기야, 쪼이. 하지마. Oh. Then we can combine the wine recognition with the global wine API so that it'll be kind of like a two connection of we do image recognition, get the wine name, and with the wine name, we get the wine data of scores, ranking details. Then this part is already done. We cannot find the wine. If you want wine, 아니다. So here we're taking wine itself label. Guys, is it possible to, from a menu, we can list all the wine from the menu? You know what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? Wait, I want this to be like the fancy. Is 이게 wine scores, rankings, and details, etc. 그다음에 I'm thinking Wait, does this have pairing? 아, 저거 어디 갔어? pairing 정보도 있으면 좋겠다. 비평가. Primaire. What is primaire? With French. Ooh. Log in if you wish to view all score and export table. 그래, 그래서 내가 얘를 보고 싶어. 그래서 A. winesearcher.com. 뭐 많네. 와인 API는 많긴 하네. But we have to see what information they give. So this one just gives the wine score, country, what is appellation? What is appellation, guys? 이거 주는 게 wine score, ranking, country, appellation, color. 많이 없다고요? 아 진짜? 결국에는 와인 DB를 우리가 또 따로 만들어야 될 것 같긴 해. 나 여기 딱 있었어. 아 지역이에요? Appellation is 지역? 아 지역. Let's go. Pairing은 어떻게 해야 될까? Pairing. Wine vintage. Vintage? What is vintage? Keywords to describe wine, spirit, or beer. Format. Offer type. Retail. Producer. Auction. By request. Oh, offer type도 좋다. They have offer type. 여기는 offer type. This one has offer type. We already have location. What is auto expand? Allows the search engines to expand the search to all countries. 아니야 잠깐만 조이야 하지마. 빨리 닫혀. Why are you? That. 다음에 state, zip code, zip mile, currency code, bottle size. 와, bottle size도 있네. Maybe you can add information about bottle size. 아, I want to add price. 가격이 있으면 좋긴 한데. 아, 여기가 많긴 한데. But they give you the price. 이마트, where, and then where it's being sold. 와, 여기가 DB가 많긴 하다. I wonder where they got the DB. What the heck? Why is Joey doing that? 여기한테 콜라보를 해야 되나? 콜라보 신청을 해야 되는지. But what I'm afraid is when I'm doing collabo is that our idea might get stolen. So we really have to be careful. 일단은 여기까지고. I also need data related to 아, 이 행사 정보가 진짜 좋다. Yeah, I would be afraid of that too. I wonder if there's an easier way to not go through that route and get the data information. But in the end, the best choice would be to get data from chat. Not chat. I mean, for users. 아니면은 이 사람들도 이런 와인 카페에서 하나하나씩 다 리스트했나? I wonder if they listed from individually from these type of like cafes. 와인 카페. 와인. Oh, here. See? 와인 싸게 사는 사람. 와인을 즐기는 곳. 와인과 인맥. 와인과 여행. 동호회도 있다. 하나하나씩 우리가 만약에 다 쓴다 하면 얼마 걸릴까? I wonder how long it'll take if we were to manually, individually write one, every single one. Every single wine. Whee! Forever. Team of 10,000 maybe within months. 100 maybe years. 아, 가격 데이터만 있으면 딱 좋을 텐데. If only we had data for price. 직구 관련. 가격. 일산 코코의 오이스 대베이 재고 있을까요? Wine prices vary store from stores. I want the... 그러게, that's true. Maybe for now we'll have to take out the store price. 와인 DB는 저거 두 개밖에 없다. 와인 DB. 와인. What else do we need from wine? 내가? I want to... wine list 됐고. Can we get restaurant menu? 일단 let's just currently for now check restaurant menu. 메뉴판 정리돼 있는 그런 게 없나? 메뉴판. or 이런 거를 우리가 다 받아서 저장을 할 수가 없겠죠? Like copy this, save it. 배민 DB가 있을까? 배민 Feature store partnering opportunity to show price and link to products. Oh, that would be a very good one. 배민이 I였네. DB 내놔. DB 분산. 포스트그리드 SQS 백큐 거의 모든 것. 데이터베이스 자동. 아니, I want to see your DB. API. 없나? 배민 메뉴 시스템 D. Watching Joey is so satisfying, guys. 미안해요. 아니 죄송해요. Joey is so... Look at Joey. Joey 지금 여기 들어갔거든? And he's like sniffing 그 catnip. So he's getting high inside that place. 너무 귀엽지 않아? Oh shoot, that's the closest I can get. 이러고 있어. 너무 귀엽. Joey! Joey! That's my laptop. No, you don't want to sit there. No. Joey, 까? 까까? 아, 귀여워라. See if I have any snacks. I had some snacks here. Guys. Should we just call it a day today? 아, 오늘 너무 일 열심히 했다. 그치? 어떡하지? Menu list. How do you get menu lists? List of menus. Google menu. Google menu. Google. Do you know like Google Maps? If you go like in the results, like give me a restaurant in like Seoul. Let's go like to Cheongdam. So if you were to go, oh sorry, worry about the scaling later. But I worry that we won't have that data, and then I would have to manually go to that restaurant, take picture of restaurant, a few restaurants around me. Oh. Like, let's say we're gonna go to 설에 봉갈비. And then they have, 이렇게 보면은, see, they have menu. 이거를 내가 빼올 수 있으면 좋겠어. I want to take this. Ow. 아, 메뉴가 걱정. 이렇게는 가지고 올 수 있어요? 마인턴. 가지고 올 수 있을걸요? 라는 대답을 내가 원하는 게 아니야. 가지고 있을 수 있어 없어를 내가 원하는 대답이야. What a bad manager, right? Just kidding. I just wanted to act that. Oh, that's true. I 근데 yeah, I will maybe then when I go IRL streaming, we should do that. 메인 빌런 같았어요. 아 진짜? 좀 잘하지 않았어? 좀 괜찮았지? That was not that bad. 아 뭐야? Why am I looking at this, guys? 난 이게 제일 걱정인데. For this one, start places are on me. Oh, maybe I can pair this with my RL stream. Should be possible. It's in Korean. I want English. I don't know Korean. 아 괜찮은데? I think because of this we will have enough data that we need. Google is the key to start. And then maybe 뭐야 developer에서 연결 거부됐대. 소름. But I can still go. And I think let's just check one more before we are kind of fully sure of that. Is neighbor map. 아 잠깐만. Neighbor will probably dox my location. No, it didn't dox my location. 여기서 no, I want neighbor API. And I'm going to look for products API. 로그인 카페 캘린더. I want map. 지도가 있을 텐데. I thought they had neighbor map. 파파고 있다. 파파고. We should also connect it to 파파고. Cause what if I'm from US and I come to Korea and I can't read their menu? 그것도 필요하긴 하네. So we need 파파고. 너 파파고? 아니 그래. Go to all the restaurants and say, may I look at your menu and then leave? Holly, shut up. Just kidding. Yeah, that's actually a smart way. But I wonder what they will think. Actually, they do post menus outside, so I'll have to check on that. We would need to pair with either Papago or Google Translate for foreign menu. I smile. You smile. I smile. You smile. Everybody smile. 배고프다. Guys, I'm so hungry. 엄마야 놀래라. Secretary, make me my TOS. 어머야. Okay, maybe we should clear that. Joey steps on my thing. 놀래라. 너무 놀랬어. 조이야. 하지마. 조이. email? Guys, Joey's telling me to turn off stream, guys. 조이가 놀아달래요. 조이 심심하대. Joey is bored AF. Joey, then you earn me money, man. If you earn me money, then I will not do it. Yeah, 열심히 해야지. 내가? I want map. 서비스 있으려나? Where's Naver? I thought Naver had map. 가이드 오픈 API. 캠핑, 글램핑. 데이터. Cloud app. Do they not provide map? 있을 것 같지 않아요? Don't you think they have it? Open source. Clova NSML. NDTI. Solution Architect 직접 들어보는. 팝하고 인공지능 번역 가능 5종. AI, 캘린더, 카페, 적용 가이드, 사례, 네이버 배송. Doing requirement stock. High Moon Park Opar. Euro area building this to be used in Korea. For now. For now. But hopefully it will become global. So I can travel all around the world just to drink wine. 그치, 쪼이, 쪼이. Hi, Moon Park, 오빠. Moon Park, park, moon, park, 짜짜라짜짜. You're so cute. 아야, 우리 얘기 왜요? 없잖아, 프로덕트 있어요? 나 왜 안 보이지? Documents. 응? 있었지. 지도. Aish, it was like GitHub? I didn't know they had an extra GitHub. So they have the map itself, but I want... Let's check documents. Whoa, their GitHub page is really cool, guys. Core API. Server, sub module API. 시작하기. Safari, 시작. Application 등록. 내 API 지도. Class. Map, title. Drawing, visual, interface. Static. Type. Module. 바로 module, namespace. 아니 왜냐면 for those 잠깐만. 아파. So if you check like the map, like 청담. Like if you go to Cheongdam and you go to, let's say I'm going to this Bolt's Steakhouse, guys. But in this steakhouse, I want access to their menu page. 여기 딱 있잖아. I want access to here. Wow. 그치? Joey. Joey wants access to the Bolt Steakhouse app. Oh. 근데 왜? Why? I cannot find it here. I can fork it. 오른쪽에 tutorial. 근데 왜 머리카락 먹으면 안 돼? 오른쪽에 서비스 종료? Wait? But I cannot click? 나니? 잠깐만, 쪼이야 나와봐라. 19일 네이버 개발센터에서 지도 오픈 API 서비스 종료됐대. Wait, so through cloud service, I can get API. 아, 나 쪼이가 나 밟아. 물지 마. Guys, Joey's biting me. Yeah, I'm not meat. 아씨, 아파 죽겠네. 클라우드 플랫폼의 맵 API를 이용해달래. So I have to use through their cloud API. So maybe it's not open anymore. 근데 it gives direction, place, view place. 나는 I want to use. 요금이 이제 붙네. 배 아파. 근데 내가 원하는 기술은 또 없어요. They don't have what I want. 그쵸? Right? 상품. 왜 나를 상품? 요금 API 이용하기. 왜 없지? 오. Storage, database, no, security AI, application, big data, analytics, game, map, geolocation, 제공. 네이버 통합 검색 서비스를 통해 수집되는 검색어 통계를 다양한 이거 아니구나. 상세 기능에 있었다고요? 사진으로 메뉴 받기? 세 번째? 잠깐만. 상세 기능. 사진으로 메뉴 받기가 있었어? 요건가? 홍보 위치 관련 정보 바탕으로 사용자가 찾은 장소, 해당 장소의 주소, 전화번호, 업체 등 검색 기능. 여기 있네. 지오코딩. Geocoding. So the geocoding is free. 이게 되겠네. But it's free. Geocoding allows maximum of 3 million. We're going to be start here. Google and then 이게 Naver Map API. 이거 아니에요? 왜? 지오 코딩 이거 아니에요? 주소 텍스트를 받아 좌표 오고 요거잖아. Reverse geocoding 좌표를 통해 아닌데? 응? 없나? Maybe they don't have it. I wanna know how much the pork house cost. 사진은 필요 없고 가격만 알면 돼. 사진까지도 필요 없어요. I just need the price. 이게 This is menu. 메뉴 탭에 맞아. 와인 판매가는 그 디스트릭마다 다르니까는 안 알려줄 것 같긴 해요. 우리 let's take 5-minute break. 아 진짜 내가 터지겠다. 아. 아. 네, 잘 자요. 아, 우리도 좀 쉴까? 아, 5 hours. I hate streaming. 아, 생각할 게 많다. Hey interns, what are you guys doing? 어, 다리야. 어, 다리야. I feel like an old man, guys. But I feel like I really... 잠깐만. I think we have enough data. Maybe we can't get the one for Naver. 네이버는 어차피 필요 없을 것 같고 I don't think we might... We can just use the Google one. 그냥 구글에서 다 빼오고 You guys are you're eating Wendy and you're trading? I feel like all my NA interns went to sleep. Poor interns. Pretty tired. Tiring stream. 띠로리. 아, 5분만 쉬자. Yeah. 근데 I think that's better than nothing. 없는 것보다 나은 것 같아요. 그게. 차라리 그게 훨씬 나아. 아, 머리 아파. 1 a.m. on East Coast? Oh my god, really? Is that late? Oh, it's not that late, guys. Your cosplay? You did cosplay? Not yet 10 p.m. West Coast? Oh, really? Only one is not that late, guys. Oh, I should probably edit before I go to tonight's dinner. Ah. Oh, really? How'd that work out? How'd that turn out? Did you keep the VOD? Did you keep the VOD? Keep what VOD? Guys, my stomach is grumbling. I'm so hungry. Moonpark Oppa lives on West Coast? Are you IT? Are you IT in West Coast? 이거 아이디어 참 깔끔하게 나왔는데. 그래서 아니야. Why will I insult to you? 아이 참나 이 사람이 말이야. Hey. By the way, before I forget, I'm trying to organize my schedule. Really wanna buy the Dyson, but it's $500. 너무 비싸. Well, I don't know why they make it so expensive. But it's like, do you think I really need my Dyson hair roller thingamabobbers? So hard to decide. Because I can just live with my beautiful hair. I don't think I'll need it. But then at the same time, I kind of want one. So. I feel bad because I said it to my friend who doesn't have a job right now and she's like, oh, 언니, I wish I can buy one for you, but... You want makes me happy? That's true. But I would rather spend that money somewhere else, you know? Oh. Yeah, people are still willing to buy it. Can you believe it? 수바라시. I feel like I have to do more of this because we spent just 2 hours on it. 3 hours on it. 3시간밖에 안 했어. That's not that much. So I feel like I just had quality time, but I'm so also at the same time hungry. 배고프지? I actually do really need it because my hair, as you can tell, is like scuffy. Scuffy? Is that maybe the right word I want to say? It's very ugly. I want my hair to be pretty. What? Oh, that wasn't me. It was someone else trying to order pizza. I was like, okay, you can order pizza. But I don't know how you're gonna do that. I should do this. Aw, thank you. My hair is always nice. Hehe. Ah, thank you, Moonpark Bar. You can join our new idea. Actually, it's not you can, you have to. I'm going to need your help. Oh, Moonpark Opa! Thank you for 5 gifted subs! Thank you, 감사합니다! Yahoo! 감사해요. I miss having hair. I'd feel really sad if I didn't have hair either. But I do want to... Oh, I do have to color my hair soon. But... Today is a lady day. Actually, I want to finish this at a nice cafe. You missed having hair too? Can't you do like embedding, hair embedment? Does that work? Going to go backseat someone while waiting for cluster to build. Are you still working? Implant? Yeah, implantation? It helps helping junior debug something? 왜 10시에요? 일하지 마. 나는 우리 IT 형들 일하는 거 제일 싫어. 좀 쉬어. Screw junior debugging, man. Just tell him to F off and go watch junior TV. And donate your like spending to me. Just tell him that. Don't work. I don't like when people work late. Do you know why my stream ends at 5? Oh my god, my lips are like... What's Secretary Hejo? Oh. But he's secretary. Hi Tenga, how are you? I think those are easier to get in other countries. Oh, anyway, so what does the Dyson Airwrap does differently? So I don't know how to use that iron. So apparently this is much easier to use for your hair. And you don't have to fully dry your hair to use this. Is apparently the benefit reason of why why people are still getting Dyson Airwrap. Also the fact that like if you suck at like making your hair look pretty, this apparently does it easier and better. So bye Moonpark 오빠. Thanks for the 5 gift or something. 감사합니다. 정말 감사해요. 진짜 일 너무 열심히 하지 마시고 좀 쉬어가면서 하세요. 일 열심히 하는 거 내 마음이 아파. What about YouTube? What are you trying to say? 아, 나도 가고 싶다. Just kidding. But I will feel very satisfied if I finish at least like the flow chart. Yes, I'm starting a new project, Tegum. I think it'll be fun. I think we got enough data to support it. Honestly. What I'm worried about is the pairing well with, but I definitely need to talk to my talk to sommelier. So how do sommelier 이건가? About this. 아 바쁜가? Sommelier. Oh no, in terms of spelling. 아 배고파. 너무 배고프다. 왜 이렇게 배고프지? Guys, why am I so hungry? No, I haven't made that yet. Secretary! Just kidding. I'll make it soon. I don't know what I'm gonna say. So do you know my Tweety app? No, I didn't eat lunch. I didn't even eat breakfast today. I didn't eat anything yet. It's exactly that, but with wine. Oh, you have a summary? 진짜로? 오, 심쿵. So, yeah, it's that, but with wine. Oh no, not TOS. Yeah, I know. 배고파요, 졸려요, 피곤해요. Guys, I feel like I'm actually working. Hey, how would you guys feel if I were to work on this all night while you guys are working at company and do like a study with me? Should I do that? I was actually thinking about doing this because I really like this idea and I do want this to go through well. So should I just do this while you guys are working? So pull an all-nighter and then do my afternoon stream? Oh, you have it? Oh, you just post it here so I can make it a command. Add com. Wine. Oh, you napped? When are you napping? Huh? No, yeah. What time would that be? Like, wait, where's your time zone, stunt? Oh, it's kind of long? 와, 진짜 이거 썼어요? 대박. 어디 있어? 아, 여기 있구나. 이거 뭐야? What is this? Wait, it's too long. 심지어 잘렸어. Congratulations on another great year. Congratulations to you. too. 이거 어떻게 올리지? 아씨 당황스럽네. 아 기다려봐. 이거를 You know what I will do? 야 use 기다려봐. 야 don't worry 기다려봐. just 여기서 I will create a doc and I will create it. I need water. No 괜찮아. 뭐라고 해야 되지? about 하면 되잖아. 하고 scenario. 이게 진짜 좋은 거예요. I really like this. So let's add a nice wine. Share. And then I will share it. Everyone. Public. 하면 되잖아. And then I do add com wine. 이렇게 착. 이렇게 하면은 you click on it. 그러면 짜잔. And then secretary will make that page better. Not fancy. So expecting new hires. Hire. Looking for job application coming up soon. 재밌겠다. But I plan on hiring people, quote unquote hiring, asking you guys to help when I'm ready. Oh wait, no, that's not hire. That's not hire. We're gonna use it. And then for hire, we can create another doc called hire. Add an icon. What should we add? Like, do they have slave? Probably not a good word. What the heck? Hire, and then we can type in like what are we looking for? What will we need? We need a UI UX designer. We always need designers. So sad. Why do we always need designers? Wait, whip? 없어. Oh, we need we probably need front end engineer. Yeah, designer is always the tough part. And then back end is 9dog. Poor 9dog, watch him run away again. I had to catch some running away interns. And then we can write currently hired. 미리 이렇게 스탬프 박아놔. Backend main 아저씨 9dog. Oh no, it's okay. Keep playing. 아니야, 계속 하세요. 아니, 별일 아니에요. Don't listen to it. Shh, guys, it's a secret between you and I. 계속 하셔도 돼요. Keep playing Overwatch. Don't look at my. It's nothing serious, 9dog. Don't worry. 구독님 별거 아니에요. Nothing to worry about. And then you do like position available. You get it. This is really cool. I really like this. Okay, understood. 그 다음에 we will need angel investors. What else do we need? We need UI UX designer, angel investor, there's marketing. We need the social media marketing. So, yeah. What is developer operation? Oh, we should put angel investors first. Not just because it's alphabetical. It's because it's alphabetical. What do they do? Oh, we need testers. We need data collectors. Wait, what do they do though? I don't know what DevOps do. Oh my. Oh, hi, Annie! They help get the web hosted. Hello from Annie's stream. That is so cute, guys. Hi, everyone. Oh, I'm not a nerd today. 잠깐만. What a bad day to get raided, guys. Hi, everyone. Where's the Lost Ark? You want me to play Lost Ark? 안녕하세요. Hi, guys. How was Annie's stream? We're working today. Unfortunately, it's kind of a lame stream today. You always play Lost Ark? Oh, really? Oh, yay! It did cure my sickness of making me more sick. Seishikun, Annie Manny. guys, don't forget to give out a gift sub for Annie on both my stream and on her stream. I don't think I have Annie's sub, by the way. System administrator. That's usually 9dog. Don't worry, we have that person. I thank you, secretary. Administrator. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. That was his that was secretary's 방향제. 구독. That we have TOS writer. Who wants to be a slave? 다음에 이것도. Let me just change this. How was your stream, Annie? What did she do, guys? Go to work? Wait, why? Is she going to work? Guys, my lips look like I just ate a rat or something. It's so red. 근데 너무 없다. What did she do, guys? Was she out IRL streaming in Japan? Packed up her Christmas tree and chatted a bit? Oh, really? She should be working right now? Like, what work? Hey, Annie, are you still here? Do you wanna do Discord interview sometime? Annie? So things that we've accomplished so far was we started our flowchart. We researched different APIs that we needed to use. For example, we were able to get the Google Map API. Hopefully that we can get some information regarding restaurant menus so that we don't have to manually go and take pictures of every single one. We also got the API for wine recognition, where we take a picture and it returns the wine type and name. We also got the wine score, ranking, country, appellation, and color. And then I guess we also find like offer type, how it's being offered, like bottle wise. So that was great. We got a really good idea on how this app is going to be made. So all I have to do is probably work on the full chart. So I'll create another separate video of me just focusing on full chart. I know I got like a little head start on it this time, but the next video will be completely all flow chart. So don't forget to follow and sub, and thanks for watching.